Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Center Fefana. Today we will discuss about solution of first aptitude test that held on last Sunday. Okay, the first question of the paper is if a plus b plus c plus d plus e is equal to 10 and all are positive integer, then the maximum value of a into b into c into d into e. Okay, for maximum value, this type of equation we have given and asked for maximum value. For maximum value we have all integer are equal. For maximum value we have to put all integer are equal. Okay, here if a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to d is equal to e happens, a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to d is equal to e happens, then all r is equal to 2. Then all r is equal to 2. Hence, we have a into b into c into d into e is equal to 2 raised to power 5. That is 32. That is 32. Hence, 32 is the correct answer of this question. Okay. If this type of question given and we have to ask for minimum value. For minimum value, we have to satisfy this equation. Okay, this equation with the minimum values of a, b, c, d. Okay, with the minimum values. Now for minimum value I can put here a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2 and e is equal to 5. These are the minimum values of the components. Okay. Now for minimum value of a into b into c into d into e, a into b into c into d into e is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 into 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Minimum value of this function is 10. Okay. Now we have second question. The time gap between the two instants, one before and one after the 12 noon, when the angle between hour end and minute end is 66 degree. Okay, time gap will be asked in this question. We have to know that for minute end 1 minute completed 6 degree angle, and for hour end 1 minute completed half degree angle, Okay, according to this we can solve this question. Let us, if we put here time, let time t, that is time t. If time t, then before 12 noon, we will discuss before 12 noon. Okay, before 12 noon we have 6t minus half t is equal to 66 degree. Okay, total angle is equal to 66 degree given in the question. Let us now, after solving this, we have t is equal to 12 minutes. These 12 minutes are before 12 noon. Okay, and the time is given before 12 noon and after 12 noon. Equal time 12 plus 12 is equal to 24 minutes. 24 minutes is the correct answer of this question. 24 minutes is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Now we have question number 3. In question number 3, we have given each of the following pairs of words hides a number based on which you can arrange them in ascending order. Pick the correct answer. I, J, K and L are the pairs of the word given, and according to this we have to arrange in ascending order. Okay, we have to find the number that is hides in between the word of pair. ठीक है, पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स. Here 3. Here the number that is hide is 3. In this 2, in K 1, and in L that is given 0. According to this, we have to arrange them in ascending order. We have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order 0 1 2 3. 0 1 2 3. That is L K J I. L K J I. L K J I. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Okay. If the question asked for descending order, if the question asked for a descending order, that is 3 2 1 0. That is 3 2 1 0. It means the correct option is I J K L. I J K L. For descending order, the correct answer is I J K L. Okay, but we have given ascending, or we have to ask for ascending order. It means the correct answer is L K J I. Okay, next question number 4, we have given if A into B is equal to 20, B into C is equal to 32, C into D is equal to 48, then A into D is equal to कितना होगा? Option A cannot be found, option B perfect square, option C perfect cube, E is odd, D is odd. Okay, in this question we have an error. Error is that in place of 20, we have the correct one is 24. We have correct one is 24. Okay, the correct number is 24 in place of 20. Okay, according to this we have A into B is equal to 24. 24 means 4 into 6. Okay, here B into C is equal to 32. 32 means 8 into 4. According to this, B is equal to 4. B is equal to 4. And A is equal to 6 and C is equal to 8. Okay. Next one, C into D is equal to 48. C into D is equal to 48. It means 8 into 6. According to these equations, we have D is equal to 6. D is equal to 6. Now A into D. Now A into D is equal to 6 into 6. 6 into 6. It means perfect square. It means perfect square. Okay. But we can solve this according to 20. We can solve this according to 20. After solving this, we cannot find the correct option. We cannot find the correct option. Okay. Question number 5. What is the next number of the following sequence? Sequence is 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 11, 8, 15, 10. Okay. In this sequence, we have two sequences are mixed. That is, first one is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. And second one is 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. Okay. We have asked the next number. Next number is, according to this sequence, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And according to this sequence, 3, 7, 11, 15. Next number is according to this sequence. That is 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Why plus 4? Because in second sequence, the difference between all the numbers is 4. Difference between all the numbers is 4. The next number after 15 is 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Hence the solution of this sequence, or you can say the next number of the following sequence is 19. Okay. Sometimes we have asked two next numbers. According to this sequence, or you can say in this sequence, the next two numbers is 19 and Second one according to this sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Second one is 12. Okay, if the question will ask about two next numbers, then two next number is 19 and 12. Now the correct answer is 19. Okay. Next 6 number question is, a circle circumscribes identical close packed circles of unit diameter. As shown in the figure, what is the total area of shaded portion? What is the total area of shaded portion? We have asked. Okay. First of all, we have to calculate the diameter of the bigger circle. The diameter of bigger circle. Okay. For diameter of bigger circle, I can meet all the points like this. According to this, we have diameter of this smaller circle is 1, diameter of this smaller circle is 1, and this smaller circle is also 1, because given that all the smaller circles, the diameter is unit. Okay. Now the total diameter of bigger circle capital D is equal to 3. Hence radius is 3 by 2. Radius is 3 by 2. Okay. According to this, for smaller circle diameter is 1 and radius small r is equal to half. Radius small r is equal to half. Okay. We have to calculate shaded portion area. Area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion is area of a bigger circle, that is pi r square. R is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 square minus total number of circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 into pi r square. It means half square. Okay. After calculating this, we have 9 pi upon 4 minus 7 pi upon 4. Okay. And solving this, we have 2 pi upon 4 is equal to pi by 2. Hence the shaded area of shaded portion is pi by 2. D is the correct answer of this question. Okay. Now we have question number 7. In question number 7, we have given a figure and we have to calculate number of squares. Okay. For number of squares, I put the values, that is 1, 2, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we have to multiply 6 into 2 plus 5 into 1 equal to 17. Okay. In this total figure, only in this figure, okay, number of squares is 17. After looking this whole figure, we can say here two same figures are given. First one is this and second one is this. According to this, I can say the total number of squares in both the figures. Okay. Total number of square is 17 into 2 minus means this figure is counted in both. In this figure we have 5 squares. Minus 5 equal to 34 minus 5 is equal to 29. It means the total number of squares in this figure is 29. Okay. Now we have question number 8. In question number 8, we have given a leaf appears green in daylight. If this leaf was observed in red light, what color would it appear to have? Option A, green, black brown, red and blue. Okay. We have to find effect of red color on green. Effect of red color on a green. Okay, it means original green and original red, original green or original red is not appear. Okay, now two options are remaining. That is black, brown and blue. In blue color there is no effect of red. It means blue is also removes answer. Now correct answer is black, brown. Okay, now we have question number 9. In question number 9 we have given the price of diamonds having a particular color and clarity are tabulated below. This table is given. How many 0.25 carat diamonds can be purchased for the price of a carat diamond? Okay, number of diamonds of 0.25 carat are here. Total price 8 into 2 divided by total price of 0.25 carat. 0.25 into 1 is equal to 16 upon 0.25 is equal to 16 upon 0.25. After calculated this, we have 64. Number of diamonds is 64. Okay. Next one is, which of the following numbers is its positive square root closest to the number itself? That is 0.99, because square root of 0.99 is equal to nearest to 0.99. Okay, square root of 0.33 is equal to 0.57. Okay, only the number 0.99, that the positive square root of 0.99 is near to itself. Next question we have. In next question given that a water tank that is 40% empty, it means 60% full. Okay, holds 40 liter more water than when it is 40% full. Minus 40% full. Okay, we have a water tank that is first time 60% full and second time given that 40% full. The difference between this water level is 40 liter. Okay, according to this 40 liter is equal to 20% of a water tank. Now 20% is equal to 40 liter. It means 1% is equal to 2 liter. And if water tank is full, it means it holds 100% water, or you can say 100% full. It means when it is full 100%, then the capacity of water tank is 200 liter. It means 200 liter is correct answer of this question. Okay. Now next question is, a tourist drives 20 km towards east, turn right and drives 6 km, then drives 6 km towards west. He then turns to his left and drives 4 km and finally turn right and drives 14 km. Where is he from his starting point? Okay. Now to solve this question, this is north, south, east, west. According to this question, 20 km towards east. 20 km towards east. Okay, starting from here. O. Turn right and drive 6 km. Turn right, this one left and this right. Turn right and drive 6 km. Then drives 6 km towards west. towards west, drives 6 kilometer, reach here and drives 4 kilometer, towards his, he then turns to his left and drives 4 kilometer, and finally 4 kilometer, turn left and drives 4 kilometer, turn left and drives 4 kilometer, and finally turn right and drives 14 kilometer and reached here. Now total distance between O and A, total distance is equal to 6 and plus 4. Total distance is equal to 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer towards south. 10 kilometer towards south. Okay. The correct answer is 10 kilometer towards south. Now we have next question. Question number 14. In question number 14 given that in a group of siblings there are 7 sisters and each sister has 1 brother. How many siblings are there in total? Okay, 7 sisters. If one sister has a 1 brother, it means all 7 sisters has 1 brother. Okay, total number of siblings are 7 sisters plus 1 brother is equal to 8. 7 sisters plus 1 brother is equal to 8. Total number of siblings are 8. Okay. Next question. In how many distinguishable ways can the letter of the word chance be arranged? Total number of letters is 6. Total number of letters is 6. And letter C is repeated letter C 2 times. Okay. Now total number of ways is equal to 6 P6 divided by 2 factorial. After solving this, we can write 5 into 4 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial, and 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 is equal to 360. Hence total number of ways is 360. Correct answer of this question is 360. Okay. Next question is question number 17. In question number 17 we have given my birthday is in January. What would be the sufficient number of questions with yes no answer that will enable to find my birthday date? Options are 6, 3, 5, 2. Okay. The number of ways is 5. How? The number of questions is 5. How? That is, how we can solve this question? We know in January there are 31 days. Okay. We have to divide these days. First 1 to 15 and second 16 to 31. Okay. Here two questions. Here one question before 15 or after 15. Okay. Let us question number 1 and answer is after 16 no. Okay. Now we have possibility is 1 to 15. In this question after 1 to 15 total number of days is 15 and we have to break it from date 1 to 7 and 8 to 15. If we ask question that your birth date is 8 to in between 8 to 15, the answer is answer is no. Number of question is 2. Okay, till now number of question is 2. Now we have possibilities 1 to 7. Okay, now we will divide it into date 1 to 3 and 4 to 7. Question, third question. Your birth date is in between 4 to 7? Answer is no. Answer is no. Okay, it means we have only 3 dates, that is 1, 2 and 3. Now we will ask between 1 to your birth date is 3. Answer is no. Question number 4. Question number 4. Okay, now we ask your birth date, that is for 1 and 2. We ask for a 2. We ask for a 2. Answer is no. It means question number 5 and exact date is a 1. Exact date is a 1. Okay, it means we have to find exact date of birth. We have to find exact date of birth. We will put up 5 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means total number of question is 5. Next question, we have given one of the 4 A, B, C and D committed a crime. A said I did it, B said I didn't it, C said B did it, D said A did it. Who is lying? Okay, according to this, according to A, crime is committed by A. Okay, according to B, crime is committed by A, B didn't it, it means C and D. According to C, B did it, according to C, B did it, and according to D, A did it, It means according to A, B and D, according to A, B and D, the crime is committed by A, and C said B did it, It means C is a lying. Correct option is a C. Okay. Last one is, if all horses are donkeys, some donkeys are monkeys, and some monkeys are men, then which statement must be true? Okay. According to this, we have all horses are donkeys. All horses are donkeys. Okay. Some donkeys are monkeys. Some donkeys are monkeys. M-O, monkeys. ठीक है. Next one, some monkeys are men. Some monkeys are men. First condition. Okay, second one is, all horses are donkeys. Some donkeys are monkeys. Some donkeys are monkeys. And some monkeys are men. Some monkeys are men. Okay. These two conditions we have. According to these conditions, we can say that some donkeys are men. According to this, we can say some donkeys are men. Some donkeys are men. Okay. Hence, correct answer is some donkeys are men. This is the solution of aptitude test. Okay. Question number 12 and 18. Question number 12 and 18 are very easy. So I not solve these two questions. Okay.